Welcome back to Cooking by the Book. My name is Katie, and today we're taking a closer look at Eggs on Ice by Laura Childs, part of her Cackleberry Club mystery series. In this mystery, the kindred players are getting ready to put on a Christmas carol, and no one expects the mayhem that breaks out when suddenly Scrooge finds himself stabbed in the back. It's up to the Cackleberry Club members to find out who this holiday killer is. And sprinkled throughout our story are wonderful recipes, and today we are trying out Elvis French toast. For Elvis French toast, we will need 2 ripe bananas mashed, 2 cups peanut butter, 4 tablespoons honey, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, 8 slices bread, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of half and half, 1/3 cup butter, syrup, and powdered sugar. To begin our French toast, we'll start by mixing together our mashed banana, peanut butter, nutmeg, and honey. Once we have this well combined, we can spread it on the bread to make sandwiches. Cut your sandwich into 4 equal triangles. Next, we'll mix together our half and half and our egg. Now that we have that well combined, we can get our skillet ready. We'll heat our skillet to melt our butter. Once your butter has melted and your skillet's heated, we're going to dip our triangle sandwiches into the egg mixture and then place them in our skillet for about 1 minute on each side. Once they're golden brown on each side, we can take them out and sprinkle with our favorite powdered sugar and syrup and serve. Now we have a breakfast treat the king would be proud of. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Cooking by the Book. Have a wonderful holiday, and we will see you next year.